What do you imagine will transpire in the stock market if Donald Trump secures a win and the Republicans gain control of Congress? It's a thought-provoking question, isn't it? Today, we're diving deep into this scenario, analyzing it from different perspectives and exploring the potential outcomes on the stock market. Donald Trump's first term as president saw significant gains in stock market indices. If he secures a second term and the Republicans control Congress, what might we expect? There are several factors to consider. Firstly, policy challenges could play a major role. The Trump administration's tax reforms, tariffs on Chinese goods, and potential changes in money supply could all have a substantial impact on the stock market. However, it's also important to remember that markets are influenced by a multitude of factors, including global economic conditions and investor sentiment. Additionally, the current state of the economy can't be overlooked. High stock valuations, for example, might be a cause for concern. However, historical data offers a glimmer of hope. It suggests that the stock market has often performed well under Republican-controlled governments. But let's not forget other sectors. The potential economic implications of a Republican win could impact industries differently. For instance, the lumber market experienced a staggering 250% rally over the past year, with Republicans using rising lumber prices and inflation concerns to critique the Biden administration. A similar scenario could unfold under a Republican administration, particularly with the consideration of proposed tariff hikes on Canadian softwood lumber. There's also the rise of zombie venture capital firms to consider. These firms, running out of funds to invest, are becoming a significant issue in the startup ecosystem. A change in administration could potentially affect the venture capital landscape, impacting the credibility and future prospects of startups that received funding from these zombie VCs. So, what's the bottom line? While there are potential challenges on the horizon, including policy changes, high stock valuations, and sector-specific issues, history suggests that the stock market often performs well under Republican governments. In closing, the stock market is a complex entity, influenced by a myriad of factors. While the potential impact of a Trump win and Republican control of Congress is worth considering, it's crucial to remember that the long-term trend of the U.S. economy is expansion, and the stock market generally generates positive returns. This is a fascinating topic, and only time will reveal the true impact. Until then, it's important to stay informed, consider all perspectives, and make investment decisions based on thorough research and understanding. As always, it's a pleasure to bring you these insights. Stay tuned for more in-depth analysis and discussions.